Hi guys, I am excited and I want to come on and share an unboxing with you guys. It's kind of not an unboxing, but it kind of is because I never got to unbox it for you originally, but I went to the Gucci store and I got a bag. I already had this bag, I sent it in for repair and they weren't able to repair it, so I actually got a new one. So I just want to show you guys my new bag I got. So it comes in a cute little box like this, new eco-friendly Equilibrium packaging. I don't know, it's something different. But it comes into a little dust bag just like this, like a little sack, vintage sack. So cute. I did get the Gucci Double G Marmont bucket bag. And here she is. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys really quick because I never got to show and share her with you, but I've been without my bag for about 4 months and I'm just now getting it replaced. So, but it just looks like this. Super cute, gorgeous little heart on the back. And it has a chain, which I'm so excited about. I'm super excited to finally have this bag back. It was my favorite piece, and honestly, if I can model it for you guys. Comes with a super long chain. Let's see if I can put this chain in here. Of course, I can. And you can shorten it or heighten it to however length you want. Just like that. Super cute. Comes with a drawstring that you're gonna have to kind of work to get to close. But it's gonna take some time once I break in the leather, but yeah, that's my bucket bag. So yes, I wanted to share this with you. I love it so much. If you guys want a more in-depth review, let me know. I see this bag popping up now online more and more. When I literally was the first one to fall in love with this bag, I don't care, I will claim it. But nobody was really rocking this bag or really even paying this bag any attention, and now I see it surfacing, so I'm like, great. But this is my favorite piece. This is going to be such a beautiful piece years later down the road. I think it's a classic design. I think it's gorgeous. I also think it has a beautiful silhouette, and I think it's going to be a great piece to pass down to my daughter one day. And yeah, I love that I have this now part of my collection, and I love it. I'm so glad I have her back. Yes, so comment, rate, and subscribe, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're eyeing for Gucci. Let me know what's on your wish list, and let me know if you want to see any more inspired fashion forward videos. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.